I got red.
Oh, on the back. Why don't you tell everybody what it says?
Carolina Reaper.
Carolina Reaper.
KN.
How's it going, everybody? It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. This morning we're here at Fairfield, California, and we're checking out the Jelly Belly factory. That's right, the Jelly Belly factory. Just gonna showcase some of the food they have in the food court. The burgers, the salads, and I believe they have a jelly burger shaped burger I'm gonna try. So I'm excited to show you the Jelly Belly factory, maybe some of the stuff on the inside for you today. With that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. You'll find more food related content on here. And with that, I'm gonna show you everything at the Jelly Belly factory in Fairfield right now. Alrighty, let's head inside here. Okay, going inside the Jelly Belly factory right now with Safi. Mommy's in the car. She's coming out soon. Woo, Voldemort. This guy. We got bean-shaped burger. Curious to see what it looks like.
You guys have been here?
Yeah, we've been waiting. Bean-shaped burgers, bean-shaped pizzas. They're gonna get a salad. I'm gonna do, I got a burger. I'll probably get a bean-shaped burger. That's what it looks like. Bean-shaped burger. Bean-shaped pizza.
Cafe hours are 11 a.m.
Okay, we're at the Jelly Belly factory waiting for food. There's the fam. Oh yeah, Safi just got done doing a speech tournament, and now we're here at the Jelly Belly factory. Shauna got the apple pecan chicken salad, Safi got a Cobb salad, and I went with the mushroom Swiss burger, which is shaped like a jelly bean. Fruit punch. Before we get our food, we're gonna take a look at the caseload store. It says caseload, it's like jelly bean store. I think discounted stuff.
$2 for vegan candy, gummy sours.
Go ahead, sell it.
Pretty good price.
Ooh. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty. You got it? Can't change beautiful.
Can I finish that?
Yes, I can. That looks so good.
So I didn't want no bread.
That looks so good.
Alright, let's open up this mushroom Swiss burger from, oh, thank you. There it is. Oh, man.
Pretty big.
Looks like a jelly bean. Hence the name, or hence the description. Let's take a look at the interior. Yep. Mushrooms, Swiss cheese, Angus beef, lettuce, tomato.
Chicken apple pecan.
Chicken apple pecan. How is it?
It's okay. Chicken is not as tender as I usually like it, but the vegetables are great.
Safi got Cobb salad.
Really good.
Wow. Okay, let's get going here. Picking up that mushroom Swiss burger. Again, you've seen the interior. All right, let's take a bite of that right now, okay? Bite. I got mostly bread and lettuce in that one. No meat yet. All right. We gotta get into that meat and mushrooms. Here we go. Another bite. Bite. There we go. Not bad. The mushrooms, the cheese. Tastes like a home-cooked burger. It's good. No bite.
People don't come here for the food.
I mean, that's my mushroom in that one. It's hearty. Shauna asked me out of 10 scale. I give it a I give it a 7. A 7? Yeah.
It's hot.
It's not bad. It could use the meat can use a little bit more seasoning. I don't think there's enough salt or pepper. So there could be more seasoning on this one here. Yeah, like I said, it just tastes like a home-cooked hamburger. Something that like you would make at a birthday party or something. Let's try some of the salad. Yeah, Shauna got the chicken pecan salad. Chicken apple pecan salad. A little bit of everything on this bite here. That should be good right there. Bite. A little bit tangy, sweet. I love the pecans. They're not candy pecans though. They're like plain raw pecans mixed in with the salad. Refreshing. All right, let's finish this up here. Bite. Oh, beautiful. All right, gonna wrap up this meal and then see what else to do here at the Jelly Belly Factory. But that's the Jelly Belly Factory's eatery area. It's okay. It's okay. Hot?
They're really hot.
He loves hot.
No, I'm talking about they're really hot. I know
Really
it's
hot.
candy, but like you should have something to drink by. Because one time we had
I
a
wanna
guy
try it right
who
now.
talked a whole bunch.
I want to see your beautiful face. Alrighty, ready, and 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. Enjoy your tour. There you go.
Thank you
Enjoy.
so much. So we just had the introduction. Oh, look at that hat. Look at that hat. Look at that hat. All right. So we're walking through the Jelly Belly Factory, and there's no production today, so unfortunately we're not going to see them in production. But if there was, you'd see them working over here, I believe. But it's all good. We get to see some of the timeline. Take you to a tour of the Jelly Belly Factory.
One of those giant containers. This
Butterman?
Jelly Belly art. Like maybe
Oh yeah, huh?
noticed how different the machines
Butterman. Yeah, I really wish. Oh, actually, there's some people down there, but oh shoot, what happened to my hat?
Oh no, what happened?
There's the jelly bean workers.
Jelly Belly jelly bean.
There they are.
You know what they say. If you can't stand the heat, get out.
2 of 700. There's some more of the Oompa Loompas. There's more. Oompa Loompa. Wow. Wow. Can you imagine having a food challenge with all these jelly beans here? That'd be the best video ever. You see? Cool. The Bean Boozled Fiery. Ooh, it's a challenge.
Yes.
Fiery 5 challenge. You can see here it's a challenge. So I heard there's like Carolina Reaper, habanero. I heard some people even start like sweating profusely.
Some are spicier than others.
Okay,
Okay, I'll try the lightest and the darkest. Okay. Okay,
as
ready?
long as that. Let's do it together. Cheers.
You can put the whole thing, whatever.
Go.
Cheers, guys.
Ooh.
You got habanero.
I got red.
What color? What color?
Red. Red.
Sriracha, cayenne, or Carolina Reaper.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's a lot spicier
Oh man,
than I thought it would be.
I got red.
Oh, on the back, why don't you tell everybody what it says?
Carolina Reaper,
Carolina
habanero,
Reaper.
cayenne.
Ooh.
So you got the spiciest one. Thank you for watching. If you like that video,
Go ahead, we're closing it up here.
go ahead, Savi.
All right, from the Lapa Stores.
Ready, set, go. If you
like
like that
this
video,
video,
don't forget to
Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out.
peace out.
One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing.